Have you ever asked yourself whether we might be living in a matrix? What tells me that something is real or true? Should we doubt everything, or is there anything that can be qualified as undubitable knowledge? These modern questions were already being asked in the 17th century by a philosopher named René Descartes. He was a philosopher, mathematician, astronomer, and biologist. He invented Cartesian coordinates and put an end to Aristotle's reign on philosophy. He is famous for publishing his meditations and discourse and method, both about the limits of what we can know. Here, have a look at that French swagger. And here he is working at his desk. He suddenly gets the ideas to throw his pen into the air for no apparent reason. What if the gravity that we all believed in didn't exist? What if objects stayed fixed in the air? It could be that a little demon is tricking us into believe that gravity exists by hitting them back towards the floor. In his meditations, Descartes started on a quest to find something he could be certain about. His thesis was not to accept anything as true as long as there's the slightest possibility that it isn't. His method, called Cartesian doubt, was to throw off the table all basic principles and assume that everything is false. He says that we can't trust our senses. Just look at optical illusions, for example. Then, what tells you that you're not dreaming? Maybe you stayed asleep and you think that you're awake. For us to understand, he gives us this thought experiment. You know that 2 plus 3 equals 5, but what tells you that it's certain? Perhaps a little demon is making you think that it is true, keeping us in this dream state. So finally, if we're to doubt everything, what remains true? Well, the fact that I doubt my existence remains true. So, I doubt, therefore I exist. Cogito ergo sum.